Hi everyone, check out the NWK Dessert Stand Set, perfect for birthdays, baby showers, and parties. This set includes 2 large 3-tier cupcake stands with extra large plates and tall struts for impressive displays. You also get 4 sturdy cake pop stands and 4 rectangular appetizer trays made from thick, durable plastic. Plus, there are 100 cake pop packing sets with clear bags, sticks, and gold twist ties. The included gold dot tablecloth adds a festive touch to any celebration. Lightweight and reusable, this set works great indoors or outdoors for cupcakes, cookies, fruits, and more. Hosting a beautiful party is easy with everything coordinated and ready to use. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.